Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you use a multimeter, on occasion you may have to replace the fuses, and so I want to show you these ones that we got to do just that. So this is from AMERI, and this is a set of 2 fuses. These are 10 amp 600 volt fuses, and these were perfect for replacing in our multimeter. They were the perfect size, they were easy to get in and out, and they did a great job getting our multimeter up and running again. So this particular multimeter takes a high and a low voltage fuse. So this was the high voltage fuse. And these are just great to keep on hand in case anything should go wrong at any time with your multimeter, so that you don't have to wait to replace the fuses. They're so small and so affordable, so it's kind of nice to have a couple of them as a backup. So we found these to work really well, and they were also a super affordable price. So this is a great option if you're looking to get fuses for your multimeter and this is what you need. I would definitely recommend them, and that is my point of view.